Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned the example 6, children. But few of the students asked me to explain this problem once again. Therefore, and on the request of the students, I am explaining of example 6 once again, children. Okay. See here, an electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table in a line at a distance of 1 meter. In what positions of the convex lens of the focal length of f is equal to 21 centimeter will the image of lamp be sharp? Here, children, example 6. Here, a lamp is placed, a screen is placed over here, a lamp is placed, and here he is asking that it what position. Here the total distance is 1 meter, children. The distance between the light and the light and the screen is 1 meter, children. Okay, it is 1 meter. And here he is asking that where the convex lens should be placed. Convex lens should be placed in order to get the sharp image he is asking. Okay, total we are taking it as d distance, children. Total we are taking as distance d. And here from the object to the lens we are taking the distance as x. Then what will be the remaining, children? It will be d minus x. Okay, children, it is d minus x. Okay, if this is x, then what is the remaining? It will be d minus x, children. Therefore here this is the object, this is the lens. From here to here it is the object, children. It is convex lens. Convex lens, children. In a convex lens, okay, only u is negative. U is equals to minus x centimeter. U is equals to minus x centimeter. Okay. Here focal length is f is equals to 21 centimeter given. Okay, children. And here v is equals to d minus x. V is equals to d minus x, children. Okay, d minus x. Okay, right. U is equal to minus x. I think you got, children. U is equals to minus x. V is equals to d minus x. Why? Because this is u, this is v. If we add both of them, we get d, children. X plus d minus x. That is equals to d. Okay, children. Therefore, here it is x, u is x, v is d minus x. V is d minus x, f is equal to 21 centimeter, u is equal to minus x, children. Okay. Now, here, children, here we are using the lens formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, children. First, we are not substituting the values, children. Here we are not substituting the values directly in the beginning. Later we substitute. F is equal 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, children. Here v is d minus x. 1 by d minus x. It is positive. Minus of minus 1 by x. 1 by f is equals to minus of minus 1 by x. Okay. That is 1 by f is equals to 1 by d minus x. Minus into minus is plus, children. Plus 1 by x. Okay. Minus into minus is plus 1 by x. Okay, right. 1 by f is equals to 1 by d minus x. 1 by d minus x plus x. 1 by d minus x plus x plus 1 by f. Therefore, solving this, children, 1 by f is equals to LCM is d minus x into x. Here d minus x means here x plus d minus x. Here minus x plus x cancel. That is 1 by f is equals to d by x into x, d into x is dx minus x square. Dx minus x square, children. Okay, here I am multiplying d minus x into x, that is dx minus x square. Therefore cross multiplication, dx minus x square is equals to f into d, eft. Therefore transposing this to the right side, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, plus fd is equal to 0. Okay children, I think you got. Substituting in the formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. After solving of everything, we got the value as x square. We got the quadratic equation. If we know the quadratic equation, we can able to find the roots of the equation. What are the roots of the equation? The roots of the equation are minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a are the roots children. Therefore here what is a? A is equals to 1, b is equals to minus d, c is equals to fd children. Okay, right. Now substitute in this, minus of minus d plus or minus square root of b square, b is minus d, d square minus 4 into a is 1, c is fd by 2a, 2 into a is 1. Therefore minus into minus is plus d, plus or minus root of minus d whole square is d square minus 4 fd by 2. Okay children, now okay children, now let us see d plus or minus square root of d square minus 4fd by 2. Now you substitute children. What is the value of d? D is 1 meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 100 plus, now we are separating, plus separate minus separate, root of d square, 100 square, 100 whole square minus 4 f is how much? 21 into d 100 by 2, that is 100 plus, okay, now I write here, now I am rubbing here, okay, now here 100 plus root of 100, that is root of 10,000 minus 4 into 21, 2100 by 2. Another one is 100 minus root of 10,000 minus 2100. 21 into 4, 4 1 ja 4 to the 8, 8600. It is 8600 by 2. That is 100 plus root of 10,000 minus is 1600 children. 1600 by 2, comma 100 minus 1600 by 2. Okay, root of here 100 plus root of 1600 is 40 by 2, comma 100 minus 40 by 2. Okay children, therefore 100 minus 40, 100 minus 40, 100 plus 40 is 70, 140, 140 by 2 here 60 by 2, 70 here 40. Therefore at a distance of 70 centimeter and 30 centimeter we get the exact image. We get the exact. Okay, children. Okay, right. Thank you. Have a nice day.